Your child is at least 2 years old and can now ride in a forward-facing car seat with a 5-point harness until at least 40 pounds and 4 years of age. Because your car was built before 2002, when the latch system became standard in every vehicle, you must install the car seat using your vehicle's seat belts. If possible, install the car seat in the center of the back seat, the safest point in case of crashes. Most forward-facing car seat models thread the vehicle's shoulder lap belt through slots at the back of the seat. Consult your vehicle owner's manual to make sure you've properly engaged the belt locking system. Top tethers provide added stability to car seats that are installed using seat belts. The tether holds the top of the car seat tightly so the child's head won't move too far forward during a crash. Follow the seat manufacturer's instructions to get a tight fit. To learn how best to restrain your child in a forward-facing car seat, go to www.buckleupforlife.org.